First, open up the glove box. Now there is a dampener string on the left hand side. Slide that clip up and push it out to release. Squeeze the outside edges of the glove box to release it down. Now you'll be able to access the cabin air filter housing. Now there's two clips at the top and the bottom. Squeeze those and you'll be able to pop the cover right off. Once you get the cover off, you'll be able to access the old cabin air filter. Let's go ahead and get that pulled out now. This one hasn't been changed in quite a while. Let's get this replaced with a brand new cabin air filter. Now as you're sliding this one in, make sure the airflow arrows are pointing down for this model. Now it is a little bit of a snug fit, but once you get it pushed in, just replace the cover and then get the glove box reassembled and you're all done.